Good afternoon, students. So here we are in the mathematics lecture. We have already completed till page number 17. Now we will start with page number 18. Please open your maths workbook, page number 18. Here we will see the first assignment. Write the correct symbol in the boxes. Okay. So we have to see which is the correct symbol that we have to write. Now here 10 and here 9 is given. Okay. So just see which is the bigger figure. 10 is bigger than 9. So we have to write this symbol. Okay. Similarly, yes, one of the sum here is, I'm just randomly selecting the sum. 10 is bigger than 9. So the symbol is this. Here 3 and 5 are given. 5 is bigger than 3, and so you have to write it in this way. This symbol you have to use. Similarly, 50, 49. Again 50 is bigger than 49. You have to use this symbol. Then the next is, 600 and here 400. Obviously 600 is bigger than 400, so you have to use this symbol. These are the symbols, okay, that I have selected from the assignment 1. The remaining are homework, because here the bigger figure and this is the smaller one. The symbol is this way. Here again 5 is bigger than 3 and the symbol is used. Similarly, 50 is bigger than 49. You have to use this symbol. Then here 600 is bigger than 400. You have to use this figure symbol. Okay. Now question number 2. Which is the bigger and which is the smaller number? Okay. Which is the bigger and which is the smaller number? So first they have asked as 721 and here 589. Obviously 721 is bigger than 581. So here 721 is bigger and this is smaller. Second one, again 423 and here 723. Obviously 723 is bigger than 423, so this symbol you have to use. The remaining you have to do as homework. Same way you have to, same procedure you have to use. Okay. Then comes here, which is the bigger and smaller of the two? Read the following. Here 891 and 697. Obviously 891 is the bigger figure and the smaller is 697. 697, 693. Obviously 693 is a bigger figure than 697 is the bigger than 693. Just concentrate on the given figures, okay, and then you have to mention that this particular figure. Suppose here just now I said 697 and 693. This one is bigger and this one is smaller. So this you can solve this way in your notebook. No spaces given here in the workbook, page number 18. These sums you can solve in your notebook and mention this way. 697 is bigger, 693 is smaller. Okay. Then page numbers 19 here. Ascending and descending numbers are there. See, ascending, increasing order. Ascending order is increasing order. Okay. And descending order is decreasing. From smaller to bigger, and here from bigger to smaller. Okay. So first one is 55, 63, 40 and the last is 80. Now ascending order and descending order. Here first smallest number I have written just here no space is there that much, so I have written abbreviation is ascending order, descending order, AO and DO. So first smallest figure here is 40, then comes 55, then comes 63, and the last is 80. These figures in a descending order: 80, 63, 55 and 40. Increasing order, then decreasing order. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending is increasing, descending is decreasing. One more example I will take it here. See, 69, 9, 59, 70. Now ascending order, that is increasing. First is 9, 59, from smaller to bigger, 69, 70. Descending order, decreasing order. Smaller, bigger to smaller. Reverse order, 70, 69, 59, 9. See here, 9, little bit bigger than bigger and the biggest. 9, 59, 69, 70. Here same figures in a reverse order. 70, 69, 59, 9. Ascending and descending. Okay. So page number 19 you will open, 20 you will see many numbers are there. You can solve them in the same way, same procedure. Increasing, ascending order, decreasing, descending order. So now we will move to page number 21. Here, a number plate of a car is given. They have given an example. First of all, they have solved for us. Here 3-digit numbers you have to first of all make 3-digit numbers from these given figures 2, 3, 0, 4. So first we will take as 230, then 304, then 234, and the last is 430. So these 4 figures they have given for us as a guideline: 230, 304, 234, 430 from these given figures. And now from these figures we have to write ascending order and descending order. So smallest one 230, a bit bigger 234, 304, and the last biggest 430. Reverse order: 430, 304, 234, 230. Okay, one more example I will take it here. It will be easier for you to understand. See, any imaginary number you can take: 4, 2, 7, 8. Okay, so here from these given numbers make 3-digit numbers. So first we will take 427, 278, then 728, okay, and then 872. Only 4 3-digit numbers we have to make. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here again ascending order, descending order. The smallest one here is 278, a bit bigger 427, then 728, and the biggest is 872. These all figures in reverse order: 728, 427, 278. Okay, so the remaining 2 sums you have to do as homework. So here, now the page number 22 we will see make biggest and smallest 3-digit number. It's very easy. The way we have solved this sum, similarly, now here the numbers given are 9, 4 and 6. Biggest number we have to make, biggest number, smallest number. So the biggest is 964 and the smallest is 469. Okay, see here 964. This is the biggest one and the smallest is 469. Yeah, you can, one thing you can do in your notebook, first of all make 3-digit numbers as much as possible. You can write means with these numbers, and then select the smallest and the biggest from those numbers. For example, 946, then 649, 469, then 964. Okay. Yes. So here in this way you can write the numbers. From this you can select the smallest and the biggest. Okay. Yeah. So we have completed this first one. The next is 704. 704. Then we have to make the biggest number 740 and the smallest is 407. This is smallest, this is biggest. Okay. So in this way the remaining two sums you can do as homework. So today we have completed page number 22 to first assignment. Okay. There are still many assignments given in this lesson that we will see. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.